Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can create a conversion preset to save your file conversion settings on CloudConvert for later conversions. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so navigate to CloudConvert and you will need to be logged into your account if you want to have access to these presets. So once you're logged in, click into your account name in the top right, select Dashboard. From there, navigate to presets here on the left hand side, and here you can start your first preset by clicking into this button. Give it a name. So let me give it an example preset on one or something like that, and then select the operation, which is usually convert a file from an input format to an output format. So let me go, for example, with an image, in this case here, JPEG to PNG, right? So if that's a format you use frequently, for example, you can set this preset as a default so that this will be selected on default every time you start a file conversion attempt here on CloudConvert. And then guys, you can go through these through these settings as well, enter output width, height here, for example, using that arrow, up and down arrows here, and so on and so forth, guys. So at the bottom, you can also adjust the quality, for example, right? And 70%, 10%, and so on and so forth. Audio orientation. And once it's done, click into Create to save your preset. You can also set it as default, as previously mentioned. You can edit it, delete it here, and you will see the given file conversion type here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.